Cord. Okay, this is my new setup here. Still running off a battery there. So I got this waterproof plastic casing. Comes with a safety strap or strap you run around your neck. So I can put that over the top there when it's high up. Yeah, the phone just slides in and out of the pocket here. You can touch screen for it. It's a bit hard to film and demonstrate at the same time. And it should go around with the camera. Oh, that's detected me. Facial recognition in the police database now. Yeah, can I pause it? Oh right, I forgot, I can just turn off the power and on the power and it'll go through a rotation phase for chicken. There we go. Chicken. Stuffed it up. It's in one of these flip cases. You can see what was going on. The cable there was moving around the thing, probably causing static. That's what the strange noise you heard with the So the phone just rotates around. It's always looking upwards, and the compass on there changes with the magnetic field as it rotates around. Simple as that. It's detected me again. Okay, done. It's now active. Of course, that's what it looks like once you remove the phone. It's just a couple of screws and lolly sticks screwed to the two screw bases of the camera. Here's what I